So you wanna make $1 million? Well, you need a really great idea. You need $1 million idea. So how do you come up with $1 million idea? Well, I'm gonna give you two pieces of advice. The first one is kiss. You gotta keep it simple, stupid. You gotta keep your ideas simple, stupid. Keep it simple, stupid. KISS. That's what it stands for. So, the thing is you're not Elon Musk. You're not gonna build a colony on the moon, and you're not Steve Jobs. You're not gonna come up with the iPod. It's already been invented. But the iPod was an innovation on an invention that was already out, right? We had our tapes, and then we had our CDs that skipped and sucked, right? We loved our big bulky CDs because we didn't know that we would have an iPod, something this big that never skipped. That was awesome, right? You didn't have to buy batteries. So we got lucky with that. So the iPod was a modification of an invention. So there are things you can. So that's about improving something that's already out there. We're already listening to music and jamming out, right? We're already listening to music and jamming out. But the iPod was a major improvement on that experience of walking around the world with music in your ears. So you can think about how to improve experiences that we already have. And that could be $1 million idea. And then also remember, it doesn't necessarily have to be like this amazing uh, technological revolution. Remember, some of the world's most popular ideas are simple, like post-its are $1 million ideas, Bic lighters are $1 million idea, pens are $1 million ideas. The hamburger, well, McDonald's hamburger is $1 billion idea. So like, keep your ideas simple. Is the first tip, and then second is keep in mind that you should be offering a solution to a problem. It doesn't have to be a major problem. It can be an annoyance. Like for instance, CDs skipping were annoying. Sometimes I remember listening to the Save the Last Dance soundtrack that used to be my jam back in the day, and sometimes whole tracks on the CD because of a scratch. I couldn't listen to it. I couldn't listen to the song at all. So like when the iPod came around, that got rid of the fact that I would lose out on whole songs and the skipping problem of CDs. It was a tremendous invention. So you got to think about problems that people have, not necessarily huge problems like, oh, global warming, how can I stop it? It's probably not in your realm to stop global warming, but like, so think about simple problems like bad breath mint, like stuff like that. Is there a way to enhance items that are already out there, or think about simple problems that you can solve? So that's it. That's how you come up with $1 million idea. You keep it simple and you try to solve a problem. Make a million.